winning the 2023 Pulat 100K race with a remarkable time of 18 hours, 35 minutes, and 57 seconds. He demonstrated exceptional perseverance, strength, and endurance in completing this grueling race, which tests the limits of physical and mental stamina. His unwavering determination, commitment, and focus throughout the race have set an example. Next, I'll call on Juliana Maika Candelaria. The certificate of commendation is proudly presented to her in honor of her remarkable achievement in the 16th ASEAN Taekwondo Championship held on 10th to 12 March 2023 at Ayala Malls, Parañaque City. She has exemplified the true spirit of excellence, perseverance, and sportsmanship in the field of Taekwondo. Her outstanding performance and exceptional skills have earned her 2 gold medals. Next, I'll be calling a set of athletes. This certificate of commendation is proudly presented to them in recognition of their exceptional performance in the 2023 ICTSI Philippine Athletics Championship held last 22 to 26 March 2023 in Iligan City. The remarkable display of athletic prowess and unwavering determination has earned them a few medals, gold, silver, and bronze in their events. The remarkable feat is a testament to their tireless dedication to the sport and their relentless pursuit of excellence. The city government of Baguio commends them for their outstanding achievements, which has brought pride and honor not only to themselves but also to their team. Their dedication, sportsmanship, and hard work are truly inspirational to all aspiring athletes. May I please first call on Sindrex Orinion. One gold medal, Clyde won 2 silver. Kurt Errol Padawil won 2 silver and 1 bronze medal. Armendi, who won 1 silver medal. Charles Dunagan. Charles won 1 bronze medal. Ashley won 1 bronze medal. Samuel Manu. Samuel won 2 silver medals. Charlene May Joy Murillo. She won 1 bronze medal. Rian Quijano, who won 1 bronze medal. Let's give them all a big round of applause. Maraming salamat po.
Once again, congratulations to all our awardees. For the last part of our program, may now call the City Hall Dance Troupe for the fitness activity.